welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be making a cheesecake. Now you're probably thinking, but wait, this is a vegan channel. How in the world do you make cheesecake without cheese or dairy or eggs? I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. All right, we are gonna start, of course, with making our crust. So we're gonna use our food processor. We've got 1 cup of raw almonds, a half cup of dates, and a half cup of raisins. And we're just gonna process this until it's all finely ground and it starts to stick together. It's starting to stick together. I'm gonna give it just a little bit longer. You know what? I am going to add a couple of more dates because that's not really sticking together yet. I'm adding 4 more dates, so it's probably, instead of a half cup, it's probably 3/4 of a cup of dates. Yep, that's much better. So we're going to pour this into the bottom of our springform pan, which is a cheesecake pan. Use our hands to get that spread out evenly. So all pieces of our cheesecake are going to have equal amounts of delicious crust. That's it for the crust. Next on to the filling. For the filling, it's 4 cups of raw unsalted cashews. These have been soaking overnight so that they blend a lot easier. 1 cup of pitted dates, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of vanilla powder, and 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. You can use any other kind of plant milk that you might have. It doesn't have to be almond milk. And now we're just going to blend this together until it's all really smooth. As suspected, there's a lot of stuff sitting on the top. So I'm just going to mix this up and blend it again. And it's getting there. It does take some time to break down all the cashews, and that's a lot of cashews in there. So patience is a virtue with this one. It's almost there. You want this very, very smooth, because the last thing you want in a cheesecake is to have a bite of cashew. It's very, very creamy. It's going to look like cheesecake batter. See how smooth this looks now? This looks just like our conventional cheesecake batter. I'm going to pour this into our pan, making sure to get all of the deliciousness out of the blender into the pan. Spread this around evenly, and sometimes I give it a little shake just to kind of level it all out. Looks like your regular everyday cheesecake. Here is our ready to go in the freezer cheesecake. This will go in the freezer for 4 hours. It serves 10. You can either serve it plain as it is. You can make some strawberry syrup and pour that over it. Raspberries, whatever fruit you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, give it a like. Hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.